Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix Gmail notification not showing on Android. So first thing that you will do is simply open up the Google Mail on your phone, and now just simply select the three lines on the top left corner. And now here, just simply scroll down to the bottom, and you should be able to see here settings. And now, once you are on the settings, just simply select General Settings at the first one. And you should be able to see here Manage Notifications. So guys, from here, just make sure all of your notifications are turned on in order for you to fix any notification issues. Now, another one is just simply select the back on the top left corner. Now, another one is just simply go through the settings and then scroll down and go for the apps and go for the Gmail over here and just simply go ahead and select it. And now just simply scroll down and go ahead and go for the permissions and make sure all of the permissions is allowed. As you can see, we have one. As you can see, we have two categories, allowed and denied. So make sure everything is allowed. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching. See ya.